backend link or by the way, let me give you my
Yeah, I
contact
guess.
details.
Hmm.
Do you have a Telegram or WhatsApp?
Yeah, I've got both. Which
Okay,
ones you want?
Telegram, beautiful. I have a Telegram account. Message me on.
Okay, give me a sec.
Here's my username. Uh, you're from India, right?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. I didn't knew that people from there use Telegram. I figured it out lately, um, because the founder of Telegram is a Russian guy, and I didn't know that there is so many users worldwide.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, great. Should I send you the current API which we have, or like do you need it?
Yeah, I can look into it.
Um,
What all features does it have?
is it okay if I'm gonna send you a link or
Yeah, go for it. Link for GitHub repo or something.
GitHub? I don't know if my friend made a GitHub. We uploaded
Okay, you
it.
have okay render. Okay, makes sense. Cool.
Can you open it up?
Okay, this is your API. I'm not sure. Like since it's on render and it's a free instance, so it's gonna take like a minute before it can work because it's spiral down to no activity.
Well, not like minute or something. I mean, at least it works better than the free stuff which we found on Reddit.
Hmm.
So I'm happy about that
I
at
mean,
least.
yeah, it's cool, but like this won't work out. Like if you are giving someone this feature, yeah, it's a bad request.
Okay.
I didn't get the URL. Okay, let me give the URL. URL. Okay, so it can download any video, right? Is it?
I think it is. It should be. Yeah. Like, I
Okay, so
mean,
is it a free? Is it an API that you build or basically you took from Rapid API?
I not me, my friend, who is I call him a full stack developer for a reason. I mean, um, he built it using ChatGPT. He's not a full stack developer. It's just a claim.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, he
I
he
mean,
built.
until and unless the thing works, it's all fine.
Yeah, is it working?
Give me a sec.
Because when I was using it lately, it wasn't. So check it out.
Let's see. Okay, yeah, I got the. I'm not sure, like MP3. Okay, yeah, I've got the MP3. Yeah.
Is it working? Like, is it open?
Uh,
Check it out.
yeah, it basically gave me a MP3 file
Okay,
for that video.
yeah, check it out. I mean, when I was downloading MP3, it downloaded like a 0 second long MP3. Is it okay? Everything.
Oh, okay. I've not downloaded. I was like, okay,
You
maybe
see,
I should
you
download
see,
it
it's not
just to
working.
check it out.
It's not working. Um,
That's what I thought. Basically, it worked like in a few seconds. I mean, but I can see some KBs of data, and it's just a minute long video, so I'm not sure. Maybe it. Okay, let's see.
I wish I could share to you the project on Render, but it's not mine. It's not created on my
Yeah, yeah, makes
account.
sense. Give me a second. My
But yeah, so far I think yeah, that's that's it.
Oh yeah, it's working. It's working. The MP3 file is working.
Okay, beautiful, great.
Yeah.
But I don't know, maybe because I'm on Mac or something like that. When I was downloading it,
Uh, no, no, no. That won't be a reason actually, because this is inside your browser, so it does not matter on like what platform is it running on.
really?
The only problem would be like if you're not downloading it properly, like you aren't able to download it. That could be a problem because of Mac.
Oh, I don't think that was a problem. When I downloaded it, using this API, I remember I downloaded once a 0 second of an entire video or something was wrong with it.
Maybe okay, there can be multiple things. You need to wait for it to process completely. Like I waited for like couple of seconds before it showed me the size of, like, basically I'm using download manager here.
Oh,
So it shows the size of the clip that I'm gonna download, right?
okay.
So it didn't show the size right away. So if I would have clicked on start download right then, maybe it would have downloaded an empty file basically. So I've waited a couple of seconds and then I can see
Ah,
the size of it. So
okay.
maybe that's the problem. You downloaded right away
Okay.
and it was not loaded properly. You can try it with a minute or 2 minute long video that will load properly. So it can be a reason, like you're downloading before it's loaded. So that can be a reason.
Okay. Um, yeah.
Anyways, downloading videos from YouTube is pretty easy. Like that won't be an issue. Like I guess there's several libraries out there. You can just use any one of them. You just need to provide URL. Like if you have ever worked on backend, basically it's just a post request. You need to give a post request
Mm-hmm.
to the backend. You need to make a API, and you need to give backend a post request, like what's the URL of the video, and it's gonna download it, and it's gonna respond with download link. That's all it's gonna do.
Okay.
So that's pretty easy. You don't need to do like any kind of trimming or anything.
Okay.
So yeah, it's pretty easy.
So,
I mean, it won't take more than like an hour or two to make the backend, to be very honest. It's pretty easy. Like if that's the only feature they are going with at like right now,
yeah, yeah,
so
for now.
it's pretty easy.
Yeah.
Like an
That
hour max.
the MVP which we built had only MP3 and it was very slow. We used the free version from Rabbit API, but it was working. So we had, I mean, when you start a startup and finally, alhamdulillah, something is working in your hands,
Yeah.
we were happy. That's right now, it's the first version where we want to make it work and work normally.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how much time it's going to spend downloading, but at least be able to download both MP3 and MP4. And then the next stage
Yeah.
is to add a premium feature. I call it the second version, premium feature,
Mm-hmm.
because it's not only about the features which person is gonna get when he is buying a premium. It's also that we have to add a payment processor, payment processor into our app. We have to do all this.
You can use Stripe, I guess.
It's not available in our
Is
country.
it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. PayPal account, maybe that's gonna work.
Yeah. So there is an options that we can make something our own, or let's see. There is a lot of options we will have to choose from, or at least we can do something our own. Um,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, there's a lot of things. Let's don't worry about that for now. Let's make at least the free version good enough. I think I have to go, man.
Yeah, yeah, cool.
Um, so thank you for your attention. Thank you for joining us. I mean, I hope you join us. Yeah,
Yeah, I can set you up with a backend. Like I can make an backend that's gonna return you an MP4 and MP3
okay.
on the basis of what you choose. And yeah, I can do that. That's pretty easy.
What about
Uh,
then, bro? I need someone into our team uh, who understands back, and then I wish it would have been you. And yeah,
yeah, I need to see about that because right now I'm also like I don't have time much.
yeah, yeah. Okay,
Uh, so we can do one thing. I can set you up with this backend. I can make you that.
okay. Thank you,
I'll give you
thank
the
you,
like I'll give you the repository. You can use it.
thank you,
It's totally fine by me because it's solving a problem. I myself face the problem, and it feels like you want to solve this problem. So it's like I want to contribute to that. It's
thank you,
pretty good.
thank you.
And we'll see then if I get time. Like I would totally be up for it. Anyways,
Yeah, yeah.
and yeah, we can see about it.
Thank you, man. I appreciate
So
it.
right now, I saw your MVP, and I can work on the MP3 or MP4 downloader. Uh, and basically, you didn't have any. There's no input box for desired quality, so I mean you might need to work on that. like what's the desired quality that the person wants to download.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Right now, I'll set it to 480p or 720p for the convenience, and later you can increase it.
yeah. Um,
Okay,
Peace out, man. Thank you.
okay, yeah, great. Bye bye.
Bye.